June is Sustainability Month at the National Association of Realtors. As the real estate market continues to change, home buyers and sellers are seeking sustainable solutions in their homes and communities. According to the 2023 Realtors and Sustainability Report, 63% of realtors said promotion of energy efficiency in listings is valuable, and 50% of realtors have helped clients buy or sell a home with green features in the past 12 months.
If you want to advocate for sustainable housing but don't know where to start, NAR offers courses and designation for members looking to learn more about energy efficiency and sustainability in real estate. The Green designation helps agents provide clients with advice and information to improve the sustainability of their homes. Learn green real estate concepts, principles, practices, and benefits in a way that makes sense not only to you, but also your clients.
Want to take your sustainability knowledge even further? NAR is hosting the Sustainability Summit September 12th through 13th. Learn the impacts of sustainability on real estate, property value, and communities while creating practical solutions that improve awareness and the changing market.
Being an industry expert in sustainability allows realtors to provide guidance, knowledge, and resources to their clients, and positions themselves as professionals who understand the long-term benefits of sustainable practices in real estate.
What sustainable practices will you make? Thanks for watching.